Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Alina coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Friday, September 29th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 55 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 69 and a low of 58, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Megan,
Suzanne.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports. The Cubs won against the St. Louis Cardinals with a score of 2-1. The White Sox lost against the Los Angeles Angels with a score of 12-2. And the Bears lost against the Green Bay Packers with a score of 35-14. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are: it's Waste-Free Friday. Did you earn a ticket today? Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Alina. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. I'm wearing my psychedelic shirt today. So is Nate here with his Green Bay Packers. A couple of announcements here. Nate, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Nate's taking the place of Mrs. Ankrum. We've just decided that we're going to hire him in there. This was found in the parking lot. If it belongs to you, it'll be in the office. Stop by later. Actually, I'm going to put it in the lost and found. All right. Got a couple of visitors back here hanging out too. Why are you guys here?
We're Classroom of the Week.
Classroom of the Week. What does that mean?
We were chosen, I think, by, I don't really know what, to put pictures on the announcements and do the sign-offs, and I think that's basically it.
So what's one thing you want to share with us?
Well, we started working with Chromebooks this year,
Okay.
and so we're having a lot of fun with that in the classrooms. And we also are working on Fuse.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying, I know that throughout all the kids in our class, we've tried at least everything, like all the different things at least once.
The challenges.
Okay.
The challenges.
Cool. One important piece of information you haven't shared with us yet. Your Classroom of the Week. What classroom are you from?
Oh, we're Miss Bunny's room 207.
Cool. Miss Bunny's room 207. Awesome job. Thanks for sharing. Anything else you want to share? No? All right. You guys can hang out with us.
Cool.
Actually, I've got Nate here not because he's taking Mrs. Ankrum's place. I actually think she's coming back next week. What do you think of that? Good? Yeah? All right. Cool. All right. Hopefully she's not watching. But Nate actually, on Monday you heard, I had Nate and Annabelle here, and we announced that Nate got first place in the 10 and under division of the 5K. And I actually have Nate's medal here. So he gets a special medal. Awesome job, Nate. We should have had the Olympic music playing in the background, but good job. All right, we're going to pull some Herbie high fives now. We're going to start with the primary egg. All right. I'll let you pull some too, okay? Go ahead. We have Arna in room 114.
Alex in 121.
Yep, Alex in 121. Go ahead. Today is National Coffee Day, by the way. I did not know that.
Blaine in 109.
Yeah. Either that or it's 10p. Blaine in room 109. You have to use your announcer voice. Let's see if you can do that.
Azan in 110.
Perfect. Azan in 110. Let's keep going. Reach way down in there.
Charlie in 110.
All right, let me give these a good mix. 110 loaded the egg up. Good job, 110. Aditi in room
116.
116. Let's do 2 more.
Brianna in 214.
Brianna in 214, and the last one. Egg roll.
Jap in 117.
Jap in 117. Looks like Jap made his own Herbie high five here. I'm not sure what's going on, Jap, but we'll count it. 117. All right, now we're gonna go with the other egg. All right, let's mix these up really good. That was a pretty good egg roll.
Oh my god.
All right, a vegetarian egg roll.
Isabel in 204.
All right, Isabella in 204. It's warm in here today. Ashvi in 204. How are you guys doing?
Good.
You want to get in on the egg action?
Sure.
All right.
Same person.
Oh, Ashvi got it twice. Good job, Ashvi. Go ahead, reach right in there, Andrew. Make it count. See, it's not easy, is it?
It's 120, but
Eliza in 120. Go ahead. See, now you're seeing the secrets behind the egg.
Joey in 210.
Nice. All right. And I'm going to pull one, too. Let's see, who's it going to be? Mr. Schmel. Allison in room 211. All right. Remember, students, come down to the office after announcements. Congratulations to everyone that got their name pulled. Remember, Monday, wear blue for National Bully Prevention Awareness. All right.
It is Friday, which means it's time for our school song.
Yeah.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
All right. Awesome job. Oh, yeah. See, I'm losing it. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer. Friday's fact is, today is World Heart Day. World Heart Day spreads awareness about exercising and eating healthy, all in the name of keeping your heart in good working order. So today, eat your fruits and vegetables and get outside to play. Both you and your heart will feel the benefits. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Bubbly Buffalo production team. Have a fluffy Unicorn Friday.